Do you know what is this?
Car.
Yes, it's a car. Blue color car.
Car.
And what is this?
Bike.
Yeah, it's a motorcycle. What is this?
School bus.
Yeah, it's a school bus. Yellow color school bus. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell button for latest update. Like, share and subscribe. Do you know what is this?
Truck.
Yeah, it's a truck. A red and yellow color truck.
Yellow truck.
And what is this?
Garbage truck.
Yeah, it's a garbage truck. Green color garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
And what is this?
Bicycle.
Yeah, it's a bicycle. And what is this?
Ambulance.
Yeah, it's an ambulance. White color ambulance.
A white color ambulance.
And what is this?
Train.
Yeah, it's a train. It's a red Indian train. And what is this?
Bullet train.
Yeah, it's a bullet train. It's very speed. And what is this?
Bullet cart.
Yeah, it's a bullock cart. It's
Bullet go.
pulled by animals. And what is this?
Racing car.
Yeah, it's a racing car. It's used in race. And what is this?
Scooter.
Yeah, it's a scooter. Two-wheel scooter. And what is this?
Police car.
Yeah, it's a police car. Police use this car. And do you know what is this?
Tractor.
Yeah, it's a green color tractor. And this one is mixture truck.
Tractor.
It's used in construction work.
Scooter.
And what is this?
Bulldozer. JCB.
Yeah, bulldozer or JCB. And tell me fast, what is this?
Pickup van.
Yeah, it's a pickup van. It's a pickup van. And what is this? Yeah, it's a double decker bus. And this one is? This one is?
Auto.
Yeah, it's a auto. Yellow and black color. Yeah, auto. And what is this?
Fire truck.
Yeah, it's a fire truck. It's red in color. And you तो अगर वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें, जिससे आपको इस तरह की और भी अच्छी वीडियोस मिलती रहें।